Welcome sa zip9.com. This video tutuloy natin yung ating series about rational expressions. No? And in this video, i-apply natin yung napag-aralan natin sa previous video, which was dividing rational numbers. No? So pag nag-divide tayo ng rational expressions, para rin tayo nag-divide ng fractions. No? Ang gagawin natin is divide o kukunin muna natin yung dividend, we just copy 7 over 3y. And gagawin nating multiplication yung division, no? And we get the reciprocal of the divisor. No? So magiging 6y over 7. I think kung sinusundan nyo itong series natin, paulit-ulit kong sinasabi that division is actually the same as multiplication of the reciprocal of the divisor, no? So, kung ito yung divisor mo, kunin mo lang yung reciprocal, tapos i-multiply mo, is the same as divide. So, mangyari dito, magiging 7 times 6y is 42y. And then, 3y times 7 is 21y. No? And then, mangyari, 42 divided by 21 is 2. No? So, 2. And then yung y divided by y is 1. So 2 times 1 equals 2. Okay? So, pwede tayo mag-cancel from the start. No? So kung familiar kayo sa cancellation, 7 over 3y times 6y over 7. Pag magkaparehong number, kina-cancel natin yan. We divide. Ang cancellation, pwede tayo mag-divide ng pair of numerator and denominator. No? Kahit saan man dun sa mga pairs, no? O kahit saan man dun sa mga factors or yung mga minimultiply natin, we can divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. For example, yung 7, ano pwede natin i-divide sa kanya? Pwede natin divide by 7, di ba? So 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. So kung dinivide ko siya ng 7 dito, dapat 7 din dito yung aking i-divide. So, then, yung 3 tsaka 6, anong pwede natin i-divide? Yung pinakamalaking number. Pwedeng 3, di ba? 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then 6 divided by 3 is 2. Tapos yung y divided by y is 1. Y divided by y is 1. So, 1 times 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. And 2 over 1 is 2. So, pareho lang silang dalawa. Now, cancellation, baka sabihin hindi mo siya na-effective dito kasi maliit yung numbers. Pero pag malalaking numbers, malaking tulong siya. No? So dito, pwedeng hindi na tayo mag-cancel because we're just multiplying 6 and 7 and at the same time 3 times 7. So maliliit siyang numbers. So hindi kailangan mag-cancel. Next, we have 3a cubed b7 over 40 divided by 4a cubed over b squared. So again, we just copy the dividend over 40 and then we get the reciprocal of the divisor tapos saka tayo mag-multiply. So this is equal to mawawala tong a cubed, no? So a cubed divided by a cubed is 1, a cubed divided by a cubed is 1. Okay, so magiging 3 times b to the 7th times b squared. By loss of exponent, na pag nag-multiply tayo ng variables with the same base, ina-add natin yung exponent. So this becomes 3b to the 9th over 40 times 4 times 1, 160. 3b to the 9th. Dapat usin natin yung kanyang exponent. Okay? Next, we have letter C, x to the 4th over 5y divided by 3x squared y. So this becomes x to the 4th over 5y times. Ano ang reciprocal nito? Pag wala tayong denominator, lalagyan lang natin ng 1 yan. Di ba? Kasi 3x squared y is the same as 3x squared or is equal to 3x squared y minus 1. Over 1. So pag dinivide natin ito by 1, we're not actually changing the value of this expression. No? Ganun pa rin kasi any number divided by 1 or any expression divided by 1 is equal to that number or that expression. No? So magiging 1 over, so ang reciprocal nito, babaliktaran natin, 1 yung magiging sa taas niya. 3x squared y. Pwede nating, may makakancel ba tayo? Yung x to the fourth, no? Yung x squared dito, at saka yung x to the fourth dito, may matitira tayong x squared dito. Kasi x to the fourth over x squared. This is x squared times x squared. X to the fourth divided by x squared. Okay, so may matitira tayong x squared sa taas. Meron pa ba tayong pwedeng i-cancel? Wala na, no? Hindi natin pwede i-cancel yung y kasi pareho siyang denominator. Pareho na sa baba. No? Pag hindi siya, pag may isang y dito sa numerator, pwede tayo mag-cancel. But both y's are in the denominator of the fraction or the rational expression. So x squared over 5y times 1 over 3y. So magiging x squared times 1. This becomes x squared, and 5y times 3y is equal to 15y squared. Okay. Okay, so I think that's it. Kung mapapansin nyo, puro halos monomials yung mga numerator and denominator ng ating mga examples. No? So in the next video, ang gagawin natin is medyo konting upgrade sa ating mga given. No? So gagawin natin ay pwede natin lagyan ng mga polynomials yung mga numerator and denominator ng rational expressions. No? So that's it for this video. Maraming salamat. Gusto ko i-invite sa Zip9 YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/zip9ph, and sa ating Facebook page na facebook.com/zip9ph. Yung channel natin, we have more than 700 videos already. So I invite you to explore, no, and learn mathematics. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.